Hi fellow traders, I'm going to analyze EUR USD and I'm sharing my analysis with you. So if we look at EUR USD, the fall did not even reach the 35% retracement level, and today yesterday on August, this is the yesterday's candle, which has already been closed by the price, and uh, this time is 7 p.m. So there is no bearish context remaining on the chart, and if you have watched my previous videos, you already know that I consider strength and weakness as per last 5 days, and then I try to find the correction as well as overbought and oversold as per the last 5 days. So if you look at this area, this is the RSI 594. RSI 594 was the very significant point for significant retracement last time. This had touched RSI 594 here at the price. There was a downward fall, then there was a fall of here. Price has touched RSI 594. I consider any price above 80 to be overbought for a few days, and then I believe there will be correction anytime soon, and it happens because these three are the extreme cases. Otherwise market normally stay between this 20 and 80, not 30 and 70, because that is the classic one that is used with a longer period, at least 14 days or more than 14 days. I rather than consider 22 days. So I'll add two more periods, like I'll add 20 and 80. Just a minute. 20 and 80. So when I take 5 days into consideration, I look at the 80 and 20 to consider overbought and oversold. So alright, here we have 20 and 80 now on the chart. So as per the RSI 5, the price was overbought, and with this price action, price corrected. You already know that there is no requirement of movement in opposite direction for correction. Even if price goes to sideways, the oscillator, whether it is RSI or MACD or whatever, can correct itself, and then it is supposed to be corrected, and market can further continue in the same direction as it was, same direction in which it was previously. So this has already been corrected. But if we go to 22, then I take 22, because there are 21.75 working days in a month if you look at the total number of working days in the whole year. So then I take 22 period to understand the strength and weakness as per the entire month, and in this scenario I consider 70 and 30. As per the 70 area, the RSI is still above 70. Right now it is 70.03. So price as per this RSI 22 is still overbought, but there is still further room to go to the upside, because 70 is not such any benchmark from where price will certainly fall. But if you look at the previous development, this RSI 22 is working. 70 is when price touched here, again 70 is when price touched here. Price was here and RSI 70. So, and now it's already moving and staying above 70, and price didn't fall. And today, after small move in many days, it was a clear breakout as price closed well above previous high. Previous high was 1915. Today closing is 1965. So there is no longer bearish context as per this technical scenario, and we can simply enter the buy position right now or after retracement. I have already taken my buy position around 1930 area, and I'm targeting 1.2090, and there is a reason why I'm targeting 2090. So I'll show you why I'm taking 2090. A very significant previous high was at 2090, and these kind of swing highs naturally work as resistance, or these kind of swing lows naturally work as support. They do not need any expansion level or any retracement level or any kind of other tools, then naturally are resistance and support. So this was the high I'm talking about, and if you look at the high, this was 2091, roughly 2090. So price can reach this area before it can show any significant retracement. Now let's talk about the risk reward. This trade is a risky trade, and when price is in overbought territory and we are still buying, this is a risky trade. When price is uptrending and we are selling just after any pattern, it is also a risky trade. A very good trade is when you see a trend and there is no such kind of overbought or oversold condition. Trend just has started developing and it has well established. But right now we are at somewhere where there is a strong bullish context, there is a breakout, there is a mature bullish trend, but still there is one question mark, that is the overbought. So we have to be very careful even if we are buying right now. So we have to consider today's candle, because this is the breakout candle, this was the resistance. If we draw a line here, horizontal line here, this was the high and this has been broken to the upside, and this is the candle which has caused this breakout. So this is a significant candle to be considered for figuring out our stop loss and take profit. So simply, if we have SL below this low of this candle, but we should not place SL, rather we should wait for the daily closing. If tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow price turns back and closes below this this low of candle, this is 1861, then this bearish bullish context will be will be invalidated, and we should exit our trade in the loss. So if you take position right now around 38 area, I have taken around 32 to be precise. So then your stop loss will be something around, let me zoom in a little for a better calculation. So your stop loss will be something around 77 pips, and if you place your TP at 2019, you will have almost 150 pips on the reward side. So your risk to reward ratio will be 1:2. So it's still a great trade if we just look at the risk reward. Only question mark is this overbought condition. So it's up to you if you want to take the buy position now. In my opinion, I am in buy right now. If it returns back, daily candle closes below this low of candle, the candle which has caused the breakout, I'll close. I will close my buy and I'll enter sell. And in sell, I'll just go back to the 35% retracement idea, and I'll just draw Fibonacci from here to there, and then I'll consider 35, not 30%, 0.35, and here I'll put 35. So that will be my area of target, around 1690 area, if price returns from here, if it doesn't go and to 2090. So that's very simple. Whatever happens, I will again make a new video and I'll post. As of now, there is a bullish context, there is a breakout, clear breakout, and there is a significant level on weekly time frame, that is 2090, which will attract the price. So this will be nearest resistance as per this weekly time frame. So we can right now stay in the long position. So that's all. Thank you for watching.